Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantor Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 7 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantor Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 5, the farmer and the apple tree. SLOs of this lesson are: use critical thinking to respond to the text and explore causes and consequences of a problem and various solutions. Transpose the written text to a diagram, chart or closed paragraph. Help students recognize and pronounce silent letters in words. In previous lesson, we have started the story of the farmer and the apple tree. There was a farmer who lived in a village and he has an apple tree. First, the apple tree used to give fruits to him and he used to enjoy the juiciest apple from this tree. But then when the tree becomes old, it stopped giving fruits. So he decided to cut the tree, and because it was a very good source of furniture. But there were some animals, the grasshopper, the bees, the squirrels, the birds and the insects who live in that tree. So they came out and requested him not to chop the tree, but he didn't hear them and he is very determined to cut the tree. So let's find out what happened next. Page number 54. Let's start from here, from this paragraph. The little animal said, "We will sing for you when you are toiling away in the fields." Toiling away means सख्त मेहनत करता था, सख्त मेहनत करना खेतों में, fields. "We will look after your little boy. He will not cry, but instead will be entertained and happy. You will like our songs and will not feel tired." However, their cries for help fell on deaf ears. Despite all the requests, the farmer continued to chop down the tree. So what happened? When they realized that with the hatred and the patience, the farmer is not going to change his mind about chopping the tree. So they decided what? The little animal said that they will sing for him when he work hard in the fields, and they will look after their little boy and he will not cry, he will be entertained. वो क्या होगा? खुश होगा और entertain होगा, हम उसके लिए गाने गाएंगे. Or you will like our songs, they will not feel tired. It will make you happy and fill your heart with joy and pleasure. However, their cries for help on deaf ears. लेकिन फार्मर ने उनकी बात नहीं सुनी और इसके बावजूद क्या किया? कंटिन्यू रखा दरख्त को काटना. So what happened next? Let's move to this paragraph here. All of a sudden he noticed something shiny. On inspecting it, he realized that it was a beehive full of honey. He took a little and put it in his mouth. Beehive कहते हैं शहद के छत्ते को. उसने क्या किया? थोड़ा सा लिया और अपने मुंह में डाला शहद को. The taste of the honey woke up the little boy in him. Suddenly the memories of his childhood came rushing back. Rushing back, जहन में आना शुरू हो गई उसके. The honey tasted so good that he wanted more. It brought a sense of happiness to him. So what happened in this paragraph here? He suddenly noticed that something is shining. So inspecting him, हाथ लगाने से पता चला, इंक्वायरी करने से पता चला that क्या है? बीहाइव शहद का छत्ता है, फुल ऑफ हनी. शहद की मक्खी का छत्ता है जो कि पूरा शहद से भरा हुआ है. उसने थोड़ा सा लिया और अपने मुंह में डाला. जब उसने उसको टेस्ट किया तो उसके अंदर एक छोटा लड़का वापस आ गया, उसका बचपना वापस आ गया और उस अचानक से उसकी जितनी भी चाइल्डहुड की यादें थी वो उसके जहन में वापस आने लगी, उसको याद आने लगी और उसको शहद बहुत अच्छा लगा और वो उसको और भी चखना चाहता था. And the taste of honey bring sense of happiness to him. It gave him pleasure, the happiness. So let's start from here. He smiled and exclaimed, "This tastes amazing." Realizing the change in the farmer's attitude, the little animal spoke in unison. The beast said, will always provide you with sweet honey. The squirrel said, I will share any amount of nuts that you want. The birds cried, we will sing as many songs as you want. So what happened in this paragraph here? He smiled and shared his feeling about the taste of the honey, that it tastes amazing, delicious, and he realized that he's about to change his attitude. The animal spoke in unison. Unison means in unity. इकट्ठे होकर बोले सारे जानवर. The bee said that she will always provide him the sweet honey, and the squirrel said, I will share my any amount of nuts. जितने भी nuts हैं वो उसके साथ शेयर करेगी. And the birds cried कि हम आपके लिए खूबसूरत गाने गाएंगे जितने भी आप चाहें. Then what happened? Finally, the farmer realized his foolishness and put down his axe. He understood that the tree was home to many lovely animals that provided him with so many things. He wanted his little boy to have the childhood that he had. The farmer realized that the apple tree was not that fruitless. The little boy in him saved the apple tree. So what happened in the last? Finally, the farmer realized his mistake, that he is a foolish. He shouldn't have to cut this tree and put down his axe. And he understood that the tree was home to many lovely animals and birds and insects. And all the things and all the animals provided him so many things. And he wanted his little boy to have the child that he had. He also wanted his little boy, his son, to have the same childhood that he had. The farmer realized that this apple tree is, however, is not fruitless, but the little boy saved the apple tree. The childhood memories, the good memories, saved the apple tree. तो इस सबक से हमने क्या पढ़ा? फार्मर के अंदर जो एक छोटा बच्चा था, जो उसकी चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज थी, उसने दरख्त को काटने से बचा लिया. उसने आखिर में रियलाइज किया कि ये दरख्त काटना जो एक बेवकूफ़ी है. इस दरख्त के ज़रिए मुझे बहुत सी अच्छी चीज़ें भी मिलती हैं. हालांकि इस दरख्त ने फ्रूट देना बंद कर दिया था, लेकिन इसके साथ मेरी बहुत सी यादें जुड़ी हैं चाइल्डहुड की, और मैं अपने छोटे बच्चे को भी वही मेमोरीज देना चाहता हूँ, वही चाइल्डहुड देना चाहता हूँ जो मैंने गुजारा. तो इसी चीज़ की वजह से वो दरख्त कटने से बच गया और सारे जानवर बहुत खुश हुए. He threw away the axe and said to the little creatures, I promised that I would never cut this tree. I have realized my mistake and you all can now live in peace and harmony. Harmony, एक साथ रह सकते मिलजुल कर. The little creatures thanked to be profoundly. If the farmer had not found the beehive, they would have been homeless by now. They continued living happily in the old apple tree. So what happened here? He threw away the axe and said to little creatures that he promised them that he will never cut this tree, and he realized his mistake and said to them that they can live in peace and harmony. मिलजुल कर आराम से अमन में रह सकते हैं. And the little creatures thanked to him, to thank the bee profoundly. बहुत शुक्रिया अदा किया उसका दिल से बी का, शहद की मक्खी का, जिसके छत्ते की वजह से उनकी जान बच गई, उनका घर बच गया. If the farmer had not found the beehive, they would have been homeless by now. तो वो क्या होते? बेघर हो जाते अगर फार्मर को शहद का छत्ता ना मिला होता. They continue living happily in the old apple tree. और वो हंसी खुशी रहने लगे. End of the story. And what is the moral of the story? With love, passion, tolerance and generosity, we can promote peaceful coexistence. लव प्यार से, पेशेंस सब्र से, टॉलरेंस बर्दाश्त से, और जनरसिटी खुले दिल से या सखावत से आप क्या पीसफुल कोएग्जिस्टेंस, आप मिलजुल कर अमन से रह सकते हो. दिस इज योर वर्ड बैंक. यू कैन फाइंड द मीनिंग ऑफ द डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स हियर. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द रिमेनिंग एक्सरसाइज. वी हैव डन दीज 3 क्वेश्चन बिफोर इन योर प्रीवियस लेसन. सो लेट्स डू द 4th one. What stopped the farmer from cutting the tree? Yes, we have discussed this. He found the beehive. You can write the answer of that question from that paragraph of behalf. The fifth one, did the other animals think the farmer was a kind man? Give reasons. क्या आपको लगता था कि जो बाकी जानवर हैं वो समझते थे कि फार्मर एक काइंड मैन है? अपनी रीजन भी बतानी है क्यों वो समझते थे. The sixth one, what reminded the farmer of his childhood? Explain. किस चीज ने फार्मर को अपने चाइल्डहुड की याद दिला दी? एक्सप्लेन करें. इसका आंसर आपको अपने टेक्स्ट में मिलेगा, आप उसको दोबारा से रीड करें. The section B here, read out the text and express your opinion and personal preferences. We have 5 sentences here, and for each sentence we have 4 options. You have to choose the right one. This is from your text. The farmer was not a what? Wise man, bad man, ugly man, or pretty man? Yes, he was not a bad man. The second one, it is always good to take care of what? Ourselves, himself, herself, others. Yes, others. The third one, apple tree was home to many. Yes, we have creatures in this text here, not fairies and girls and boys. The creature is the right option here. I want you to choose the correct option for these sentences too. The section C here, fill in the blanks to complete the closed paragraph. We just read the text now, so it will be very easy for you to fill the blanks here with the appropriate words. Now that the farmer was not getting any from the tree, what? He was not getting any more. Yes, it was the tree of apples. Any apple from the tree? What will be here? Which word? The tree was what? Useful or useless? Yes, he realized that this is useless now because it's not giving any fruit. Therefore, he decided to cut the tree and, yes, use the wood of the tree to make some what? What he wanted to make of wood? Yes, furniture. Fill these remaining blanks by yourself. The section D here, underline the silent letter in the words below. कुछ वर्ड्स हैं जिसमें कुछ लेटर्स क्या होते हैं? साइलेंट होते हैं. आपने उन साइलेंट लेटर्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना है. अब जिस तरह के क्लाइंब में है, क्लाइंब, आपने जो है सारे क्या करने हैं? प्रोनाउंस करने हैं सारे वर्ड, और आपने आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि कौन सा लेटर इसमें साइलेंट है. जैसे कि पहला वर्ड है क्लाइंब, तो इसमें जो है बी का लेटर साइलेंट आ रहा है, क्लाइंब. सेकंड वर्ड है हैंडकरचीफ. हैंडकरचीफ में आप क्या है? हैंडकरचीफ, हैंडकरचीफ. आपका डी साइलेंट आ रहा है. ड्राइव में आपका ई साइलेंट आ रहा है. अगर हम इसको हटा भी दें ई को तो क्या है? कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, इसको हम इसी तरह ही प्रोनाउंस कर सकते हैं, ड्राइव. फोर्थ वर्ड है आपका वेंसडे. अब इसमें आप ऑब्वियसली बिल्कुल क्लियर है कि डी आपका साइलेंट है. तो इसी तरह आपने बाकी जितने भी वर्ड्स हैं उसमें से आपने साइलेंट वर्ड लेटर्स को क्या है? आइडेंटिफाई करना है और अंडरलाइन करना है उसे. This is your homework from Summer Pack. You have to read this paragraph carefully and answer these 5 questions from the paragraph. You will find the answer of this question from that paragraph. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.